Hello friends, welcome to my channel Yoga Life. I am your yoga teacher Ujala Kataria, and today in this video I will tell you how to get into the upward facing dog. यानी कि आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि अपवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग को किस तरीके से किया जाता है, जिसे हम ऊर्ध्वमुख शवासन भी बोल देते हैं. Upward facing dog is also called by the people Urdhvamukh Shavasana. So let's start how to get into this posture very smoothly, very calmly. So let's start. You can practice with me right now. So first of all, we'll lie down on our abdominal area on the mat like this. Very gently, very slowly, like this. And now from here, you have to place your hands directly behind your chest. Not as close to your chest, just try to place your hands behind your chest. Because this is a posture for Bhujangasana. When we place our hands indirectly close to our chest, this is a posture for Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. But in upward facing dog, we just try to place our hands behind the chest like this. Try to expand your fingers, open up your fingers and gently well grounded on the floor. Your palms and your fingers should be well grounded on the floor like this. Try to place your chin on the floor also. If you are not comfortable while your toes together, then you can keep your feet little bit apart, a shoulder width apart. According to your limits, according to your comfort level, you can keep your feet apart. And now from here, we will take a deep and nice inhale. I'll show the first variation of upward facing dog. Now first of all, we will practice the variation 1. Then after that, we will move to the variation 2. We will go ahead after variation 1. So let's start. Elbows touch with your back, sideways, fingers open. I'll practice while keep my feet together. Inhale, lift your face, lift your chest, lift your navel off the floor and as much as your lower abdominal area. Don't shrug your shoulders. Don't shrug like that. Try to stray away from your ears like this. Chest open, look forward, or you can look upward like this. Try to stay here for a couple of breaths with normal breathing. Yes. This is the variation 1. In this variation, we are not lifting our legs off the floor. My legs are well grounded on the floor. Feet together. Don't shrug your shoulders. Don't forget. Yes. Try to hold. Hold a beautiful smile on your face. You can fix your gaze forward if you are not comfortable while looking upward. Fix your gaze forward with a smile. Yes. And we'll come back with a nice and long deep inhale. Put the whole body weight on your hands. Here we are using the strength of our arms. Yes, we are using the full strength of our arms. Stay here. Take a nice and deep inhale. And exhale with your both nostrils. One more time. Take a nice and deep inhale with your both nostrils. And exhale. Now I'll show you the second variation of upward facing dog. So let's start with the first one. Inhale, Lift your upper portion as much as, and also try to lift your thighs, your knees. Put your whole body weight on your feet, on your hands. Don't shrug your shoulders. Again, don't forget it. Shoulders away from your ears. Try to lift your legs. If you are not comfortable here, try to place your legs on the floor. You just try to hold in this position, the variation 1. And breathe out. Slowly come back. Again, relax. Inhale and exhale. Okay, once again, I'll show you the second variation again. Try to focus, try to understand the things, how to get into the variation 2, the upward facing dog. Okay, let's start. Inhale. Variation 1 and then variation 2. Yes. This is a little bit challenging pose. And then drop your legs, drop your knees, drop your navel, drop your chest, drop your chin. Yes. And relax in this posture. Feet hand together, directly place under your chin. Hip width gap in between your both legs. Body relax, put your whole body weight on the floor. Take a nice and deep inhale and exhale. And then after that, try to come into the child pose for some relaxation. Again, your hands under your shoulder, feet together. Firstly, come into tabletop position on your fours, both knees, both hands. And then after that, place your sit bones on your ankles with straight arms, forehead on the floor. This asana will relax your spinal cord, your back, your low back. If there will be any strain, then it will remove it. A very nice posture for your mind. And with the inhale, come back to the center. Now I'll discuss about the benefits of upward facing dog. What are the benefits? Upward facing dog is a very good asana to expand your chest, your shoulder, your upper back. It really strengthens your arms because we put the whole body weight on our arms, on our hands. So it really strengthens your arms, strengthen your hands, your wrist, your elbow, your shoulder blades, your upper back, and as well as your lower back. It really helps to improve the digestion system, the elements of chest, disorders of digestion systems. So it is a very good asana in many ways. So try to practice upward facing dog. Either it is a variation 1 or variation 2. If I talk about the precautions, yes, there are some precautions as well. If you are suffering from high blood pressure, hernia, ulcer, a very low blood pressure, so at that time avoid this asana. So that is all about the upward facing dog. If you liked it, then don't forget to press the button like. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you so much. I hope you will practice this asana on your daily basis. Thank you so much.